Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we're going to be organizing Barbie clothes. I got this container at Hobby Lobby and I thought it would be fun to organize with all of you. So these are just the Barbie clothes. I do have some more that I let my nieces play with. I keep my Ken clothes separate and Chelsea clothes separate. I'm going to start by organizing them into sections. This is the container I keep all of the Chelsea clothes in, and the container I keep the Ken clothes in. Now that I have the clothes divided into sections, I'm going to start putting them into the bins. I do have a few new outfits that I haven't opened yet. This one to me looks like a little tennis player outfit. It comes with a shirt, top, white shoes, and the blue headband. This one is for Ken. It has the shoes, the top, and jeans. Next is this double pack. There's a purple dress, white shoes, the green top with the skirt, and a pink bracelet. I almost forgot to include this one. It's another Ken outfit. It's a jacket, a pair of shorts, and a white watch. To me, the shorts seem a little short compared to some of the other shorts I have for Ken. I had to try it on a Barbie to see how it fit on a Barbie, and I actually think the shorts work better on a Barbie. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.